My name is Tanya Milstead. I am in Jason Lankford's Biology 2401, Angelina College. This is my extra credit and I'm doing on the neuron anatomy. I'm going to show you the different parts of it and explain what they do. Neurons are the basic functional units of the nervous tissue. Although neurons differ structurally, they have many identifiable features in common. They all have a cell body with a nucleus. The neuron cell body contains nissl bodies, which are an elaborate type of rough endoplasmic reticulum, which are involved in the metabolic activities of the cell. Also inside the cell is neurofibrils. The cytoskeletal elements of the neuron. They provide support and intracellular transport function. Dendrites are receptor regions. They bear receptors for the neurotransmitters released by other neurons. They are typically a short, abundantly branched, slender process of the cell body. They increase the surface area of the cell body and are covered in synapses. Next is the axon hillock. This is a slightly enlarged cell body, and it controls the firing of the neuron. The axon is next and begins distal to the hillock. It is an elongated fiber that extends from the cell body to the terminal endings and transmits neural signals. Neurons have only one axon, which may branch into collateral branches depending on the neuron type. Axons are typically heavily myelated by special supporting cells called Schwann cells. Which wrap themselves around the axon in a jelly roll-like fashion. They are a tight core of plasmic membrane material called myelin sheath. The peripheral part of the Schwann cell and its exposed plasma membrane is referred to as neurolemia. There are gaps or indentions in the sheath called nodes of Ravine. These terminals store the neurotransmitter chemical in tiny vesicles. The axon ends in many terminals called axon terminals with synaptic knobs. These are the synaptic knobs, which form junctions with the neurons and responsible for sending signals onto other neurons. Neurotransmitter is then diffused across the synaptic cleft to bind to membrane receptors on the next neuron, initiating an electrical current. These are the parts of the neuron, the different neuron body, and the functions of it. Thank you.